Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink on that website. And the another thing in this website, you guys can create a multiple backlink on a different way. Kind of, you guys can create a business listing backlink, you can create image submission backlink, you can create article submission backlink, you can create video submission backlink, you can create audio submission backlink, you can create a social bookmarking backlink. So on this single website you can create a multiple different type of backlink. So for this website, for the backlinking, you guys can consider this website. So before that we can show something about that website. So according to Acharya, to domain rating is 77, and according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing a 245.2k monthly total visitors, and the mostly traffic from Pakistan, India, UK, USA, Australia. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, so must you guys have to create your backlink. Must you guys can create your backlink on that website. Okay. So we have completed our research process. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please hit the subscribe and like button. Okay. So we have already discussed all the things. Now the time is to we can list our businesses. So simply you guys can click on sign up button. My website is DML training. Let me open it parallelly, and there we can add a first name DML training. There you guys can add your email address, then you guys can choose your password, and you can verify the terms and condition. You can acknowledge the terms and condition and verify the robots and the captcha. Then you can click on let's go button. This is okay. So now we are entered, and in the next step you guys can choose your category, general business, and the merchant is. So now you guys, I can proceed with a general business, save and continue, and there you guys can add your business name. So business name is, you guys can add your company name, DML training, and there you guys can add your street addresses. So for the street address I have already generated. And you guys can choose your country. So I'm from India for this businesses. For this business, and the state provider is Delhi, city is New Delhi, and the pin code is 110044, and there we can add our business name 73034 For the website addresses, you guys can select HTTPS or HTTP, whatever you are using. HTTPS is that mean I'm using SSL. So that's how you guys will add your domain. So, and the next is years in businesses. So 1 year, store board, city. So our city is Delhi, and the business category is marketing and the advertisement. Is there my business related anything? Bands, beauty store, business consultant. Yeah. Okay, and the business category is so you guys can select your some categories, and after that you guys can add your add your company description. So I have already generated, and there you guys can paste it to your all the details, and after that you guys can click on submit button, and you guys can add your company logo, business logo or the company logo, and you can click on the save image button. And there you guys can add your main keyword. So main keyword is my. So in-depth digital marketing guide and the strategies. So this should be going to be DML training. So there you guys can add your main title where you guys can indicate your main keyword or your services and the branding. And after that, what we are missing, if we are missing anything, then we can go to add it. So business Facebook business page URL. So let me add it. And the owner name is Mr. Prav Yadav. And if we are missing owner email ID, so there we should add my email ID, contact@dmailtraining.com. And if you are able to add specialization, how to got started, and the competition prices, these kind of things you guys can, if you wanting, so you can add it. Whatever things are required for your businesses, whatever you are providing, what kind of services, if match anywhere any boxes, so you can fill your all details. And after that you can click on save changes button. And there we should add again our hook word or the title we have added, and the email training business consultant, all the details we have added. So what we can do next, DML training. So if you guys can hover over there, so you can found your landing page URL. So this is your business landing page URL, whatever you can call. You can also able to call the profile backlink, that kind of things. But this is your company name, your main keyword, your main H1 or anything. And this is your addresses, your website URL. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So we have created a very high quality do follow business listing backlink. Now the time is to we can create another backlink. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every business should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So you can see there is options for the images. You can click on images. DML training has not displayed any image yet. So yeah, so from there you guys can post your image. So you guys can click on the post button top of the left corner. Between bottom of this your brand name, you guys can see this is a post button. You can click over there, then you guys can found your video, images, blog, audio, and another things, many things. So simply first we can create backlink for the image submission. So you guys can click on choose file button, and you can select your any images. So suppose that I can going to select this image, and this image is about create very high quality do follow backlink. Create very, and for this image you guys can generate a description. Right now I don't have description, so that's why I'm copying this content throughout my website. But in your case, you guys can choose a fresh content. Then you guys can select your category, business opportunities, app and software, movies, nature, party, restaurant, self-improvements, technology. Okay. And if possible, there we can add our website's URL as well. And then let me click on save button. Image error, object is nothing, profile access. Okay, there is something issue, I guess. Let me try once. Before I have published some images over there, so that's why. Five plus, do follow. HTML training, and the same description I can going to add in the my images. You can select your category, and let me try to click on the see. I guess there is any technical issues, so that's why these things are happening, because one day ago I have created a business listing on that website and I published images, but the case is right now I am not able to do these things. I haven't idea why, and now we can create. Let me refresh it once. But the thing is, previously I created 1 or 2 days ago, so that means these websites are working all the things. So right now there is any technical glitch, I guess. So you guys can try once to you can publish your backlink. Suppose that any blog backlink or any audio or any image. Yeah, so this is taking a time while loading. So let me try to create backlink, article backlink for this. So summary, what I can do, we're going to add keyword is profile creation sites, author is Prav Yadav, no, DML training, and the select category is technology, and there we can add our content. Okay, so let me copy and I can paste it all the things as same as. But the if you guys are publishing your content, so you guys can consider a fresh article and the optimized all the things. So you guys can optimize your headings, your content, and your images, and your all the details. Once you guys can complete these things, optimize these things, then after that you guys can select your main targeted keyword. So hide profile creation sites. So there I can insert a backlink, so you guys can see there you guys can insert your website's URL, and you can click on insert button, and all the things I guess we have added. So there we can add featured image, and after that you can click on save and continue. Okay, so there is a post button, you can click. Not accepted storyboard, then you can be miscellaneous, please remove obtain code. Okay, so what I can remove from there, all the things I guess there are, I have added these backlinks now, so I guess they are. See image file manager error is cannot create file f web page to www profile blog is the, I guess there is any technical glitch, so that's why these things are happening, I guess why. And but you guys can, I guess you guys have idea. Once you guys can create your business listing backlink, and after that you guys are able to publish your all the details or anything. So let me try these things for this profile. So let me select any images. Image, and from there I can select any piece, one way interviewing, and there I can add a short description, and the category is employment, and let me select, let me crop and save, and you guys can see save image. So this is your image backlink. So I guess on this profile there is any technical glitch, so that's why these things are happening. And I have followed all the things for this websites, and also they can sending a verification email as well. No, I haven't received any email. Welcome to storeboard. There is no any verification email. Okay. So, and also you guys will able to publish your blog, video, audio, and the coupon and the newses on this site. So you guys can consider this website for the business listing and all different type of backlinking. Okay, so you guys can try, and if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.